Hi, Jonathan. When you create a site model, you can choose to display the 3D view as existing only or as proposed only. And you'll notice there's a difference in my site because I've got some objects which are on the proposed. But let's look at the existing only. You'll notice that I've got a pad here that sets down the site because this is existing. This is the way the site is before the contractors arrive. When I created that site modifier, I chose that this is applied to the existing site model, not the proposed. If I assign this to the proposed, we will not see it. Existing is the way the site is before you get there. Proposed is what it's like after you leave. And the difference is your cut and fill. You do need to make sure that you apply your site modifiers to the existing model if you don't want them to appear in the cut and fill calculations. There's a site modifier at the back here. You can just about see it. When I go to my site model and I check to make sure that what the proposed looks like, you'll see there's a site modifier at the back. This is proposed work, so this is what I'm going to get the contractor to do to scoop all that land out. So this site modifier, you'll notice, is assigned to the proposed. The hardscapes aren't quite like that. The hardscapes are applied to the proposed site model. So when you create your site modifiers, make sure that you choose whether it's applied to the existing terrain or the proposed terrain. So in other words, is that site modifier there before you get there, or is it going to be one that you've placed and have changed the land? Thanks for watching.